Designers help bring your vision to life in a cohesive way, and we're worth every penny. I put together a step-by-step guide to help you find design success. Step 1, start with your goals and a budget. Like I teach in home renovation school, everything starts with a plan, and a plan starts with a budget. It's really important to know your numbers and to set a realistic budget that you can afford. I always recommend adding 10 to 15% to your total budget as a cushion for unexpected or unforeseen repairs. If you're renovating, chances are you'll discover something that needs fixing once you open up the walls, so it's best to be prepared. Proper planning really reduces stress, and this process should be fun. Step 2, create a plan. Once your budget is set, it's time to create a plan. By plan, I mean putting your design on paper, either through an accurate sketch or by hiring a professional to create CAD drawings with precise measurements. Accurate measurements are really crucial, especially for renovations. Personally, I always begin with an as-built set of plans and then modify them based on my client's wish list. An as-built set of plans is simply a set of plans with your exact layout and measurements of your current home or space. This serves as the foundation for any renovation. As-built plans are invaluable. They really help you to visualize how to reconfigure your layout and identify spaces you can borrow from to expand other areas of your home. Step 3, build a wish list. What's a wish list? It's a detailed outline of everything you envision for your space, from design elements like color schemes and materials to functional features like a walk-in pantry. A wish list clarifies your vision, ensuring your expectations are met. I really recommend gathering inspiration from Pinterest, Instagram, or magazines, and visiting showrooms like Ferguson or maybe some furniture galleries to really explore these ideas in person. Seeing and feeling materials makes it so much easier to design on your final selections. Step 4, find the right designer. When hiring a designer, review their portfolio to ensure that their style aligns with your vision. Ask your friends or your family members for referrals, or explore online platforms like Houzz or the American Society of Interior Designers directory to discover qualified professionals. Schedule a meeting to gauge a personality fit. Good chemistry and communication are key to successful partnership. Look for qualities like organization, experience, and transparency. Discuss how they present their ideas, whether through drawings, material list, or 3D renderings, and make sure that their fee structure fits within your budget. For smaller projects or tighter budgets, consider consultations or e-design services for professional guidance while managing the project yourself. Step 5, collaboration is key. Once you've hired a designer, collaboration is everything. Keep your communication open and clear by scheduling regular check-ins to discuss progress and address any concerns. And be flexible. Unexpected challenges may arise, and a willingness to adapt can make all the difference. Clearly define timelines and milestones, ensuring that both you and your designer stay right on track. And make sure to sign a contract that outlines the scope of work, associated cost, timeline, and budget to set clear boundaries and expectations. A strong partnership that's built on trust and transparency will lead to a successful project and a space that you'll love. By following these 5 simple steps to hiring a designer, I promise it'll make your renovation or new build an enjoyable experience with the best possible outcome. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Tile Mart's amazing products, including my Curves Tile collection available exclusively at Tile Mart. Happy designing, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tile and design tips. Bye for now.